In this video, I will show you how to block automated spam calls by leveraging VoIP.ms Digital Receptionist feature. Let's get started. First, go to www.voip.ms and log into your account. The idea here is to play a recording like, "Hey, this is John. I am filtering automated spam calls. To get connected with me, simply press 1. First step is to upload a recording to your VoIP.ms account. To do so, log into VoIP.ms customer portal, head over to DID numbers, and click on Recordings. Click on the Upload New Recording button, give it a name, select the file by clicking on the Choose File button, and finally press the Upload File button to complete this step. If you don't want to record yourself, we added a sample in the description box below for your convenience. Next, to filter your calls, you will need to create a digital receptionist. Simply head to DID numbers, Digital Receptionist, and click on Create New IVR. First, give it a name like Spam Filter. Next, select the recording you just uploaded on the previous step. Then, you must set what will happen after your caller types a number on his phone keypad. Make sure that the option you configure is aligned with the voice recording you uploaded. In my case, in the first digit box, I will set up the digit 1, and then set the routing to a call forwarding that redirects all the calls to my cell phone. You could route calls wherever you wish, like a sub-account or a ring group. For more information about routing options, check out the link in the description box below. In the next digit field, write the letter T, which means timeout. This option will send the caller to the selected route once the timeout period has passed. Since the objective is to block spam calls, select System and the Hang Up option. Finally, in the last digit field, add the letter I, which means invalid. This will allow you to determine what happens if a caller presses a number not previously configured. I will select the routing to voicemail option. While this is not mandatory, I highly suggest you to do so in the event somebody didn't pay attention to your recording. Once done, simply hit the Save the IVR button. Now that the spam filter has been created, you simply need to apply it to your numbers. To do so, head to DID numbers, Manage DIDs, and edit your number by clicking on the orange pen icon. Simply choose the spam filter option you created. Once done, scroll all the way down and save your changes by clicking on Click here to apply changes button. If you wish to go the extra mile, you could also create a phone book entry with a caller ID filtering option to whitelist users like friends and family. Therefore, they could skip your spam filter when they call you. To do so, check out the links in the description box below. And this is how you can block spam calls with VoIP.ms Digital Receptionist feature. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.